Look, it's not secret. AI Faceless YouTube channel are making real money out there. And you probably had seen tons of videos like this by this time.
Yes.
So if you want to be the next famous faceless YouTube channel like me, oh no, forgive me. I'm not there yet. I mean like those guys. Yeah, I'm not even close, I know. But, as I mentioned on previews videos, I am documenting my journey and anything that learned along the way I will share with you. If you want to know how I got created using completely free AI tools, I will share my knowledge with you because you are here for that, and I want to be transparent with the info. So, let's get started. First, we need to create our avatar. To do this, we'll use an AI image generator. I'm using Leonardo AI. With this amazing AI tool, you can generate anything that is in your mind. In fact, it is the AI that gave birth to me. I mean, that create me. You got the point. So to do this, let's go to Leonardo AI. Here you will need to sign up with an email to use the free versions, which by the way is all you need to get started. When you are logged in, you will see that you got 150 tokens. Those are resets every 24 hours. That means if you ran out of token for some reason, you can try again next day. All right. From here, you go to AI image generation. Write down your prompt. I will leave my one on the description of this video if you want to use as reference, but remember, you can be created here and make your with what you want. Next, select the Leonardo Diffusion XL, add the cinematic over here and activate the photoreal option, which will activate Alchemy as well. Mark how many photos you want to create, and you will see how many tokens will take to create. Hit generate and wait for the magic. Here we go. Check this out. Feel free to generate as many as you want until you get the one you like or modify the prompt. I will take this one. If you want to make an animated character like this one, just come back to Leonardo AI and deactivate the option of photoreal. Click generate, and boom. Look at that. Now let's say that you like one of the images and want to make even more of those types of specifications. You gotta download the one you like and upload it in image guidance. Click generate, and you will get more variety of the one you selected. Moving on. Now that we have our AI character, we need to generate a voice for our avatar. For this, we'll go to 11 Labs. Sign up for the free version. In here, you can select a realist voice for your AI avatar. You have tons of good voices. You can even choose one if you want to make a podcast for your channel, or give more personality as a social media one. I will select this voice for my avatar. Then you go to speech. Here you can either go with text to speech or speech to speech. I will select text to speech. Add the text I want it to transform. Hit generate and wait. A few things to know. On the free version, you have a number of words that you can use, but 11 Labs has some good deals if you want to try. However, the free version is more than enough to get started. Let's check the voice.
Hi, I am an AI character. Hope you are liking this video. Subscribe for more.
That is pretty good. Next, we need to make our avatar move. For that, we'll use Hagen. Again, sign up for the free version. You will see they gave you free credits when you register your account. In here, you need to upload your photo avatar first, then click on Create Video, choose the format you want. I will go with landscape because it will be the YouTube video format. Select your photo avatar. You can type what you want your avatar to say, or upload the voice. Here you add the one you create on 11 Labs. Hit submit and wait. Let's see the final results.
Hi, I am an AI character. Hope you are liking this video. Subscribe for more.
And with the animated avatar.
Hi, I am an AI character. Hope you are liking this video. Subscribe for more.
That is pretty good, right? So there you go. Now you know how I got created and even more how I am here. It's a fact that people connect even more when they see the person that is talking on the videos. But nowadays we have some amazing AI tools to create video that can connect with your audiences. If you like this video, you can watch this one now, where I talk about if I can monetize a faceless YouTube channel. See you there.